Get beautiful skin with this mask that makes everybody keep on talking. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, the mask that people are talking about. Like this mask contains powerful ingredients that people are talking about. It helps to make sure your skin is looking the best. Whichever reason you want to make use of this, you want to treat dark spots, you want to unify your complexion, you want to tighten a loose skin, you want to fade off wrinkles, fine lines, this will help. But of course, with consistency. Nothing is a magic, but what you notice from this treatment is a smooth, glowing, bright skin instantly. Like this is instantly after one wash. With consistency, it will remove dark spots, it will remove wrinkles. You will notice that you'll be looking younger and younger all the time. If you want a mask that will give you that beautiful skin without greasy skin, without dry skin, this will help greatly. It helps to balance the skin, unify your complexion. One of the ingredients will help to absorb so much oil from your skin, like helping to also balance the skin if you have dry skin. So let me go on and tell you the ingredients, how to apply it for best results. So the first ingredient I added into this treatment is oat powder. Oat powder. So in case your oat powder is not smooth like this, okay, there are some that are not smooth. If yours is not smooth, all you have to do is to blend it, make it more in a powdering form, and you're all good. So oat powder will help to nourish your skin. It contains loads of antioxidants that will help to fight free radical damage like aging signs, anything that makes your skin look bad. This will help to take care of it. If you have a dry skin, good for you. This will help to keep your skin so supple, well hydrated, well moisturized. So oat powder will do a good job for your skin, keeping your skin so flawless, very smooth, looking so glowing. So get your oat powder. The next ingredient you have to add into this treatment is sugar. Okay, sugar is very important for the skin, for everyone. You can make use of white or brown sugar. Sugar will help to exfoliate your skin, scrub out dead skin cells that makes your skin look dull. So sugar will also help to unify your skin. It contains alpha hydroxyl acid, a mild one, of course, a very gentle acid that is for all skin type. Whether you have sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, you will benefit so much from this. What I love about this is not only for the exfoliation, it helps also to keep your skin glowing beautifully. If you make use of sugar in your mask, you will never regret it. So this is one of the ingredients that people are talking about. Go ahead and get your sugar, white or brown sugar, and you're all good. So the next ingredient you have to get is cinnamon powder. So here is cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon a lot. Cinnamon is a spice, contains antioxidant that helps the skin a lot. This is for those that have blemishes. If you have dark spots, if you have acne, if you have skin issues, this will help to take care of it. Treating your acne, treating those pimples, and making sure they are all gone. Thanks to the antibacterial it contains, very powerful at treating skin problems. So you will love the results. Adding just a little, you don't really need too much. A little goes a long way. So in case you have the stick, you have to turn it into a powder form, just like this. So I will tell you how to add it into your mask for best results. And the next one is milk. Milk contains lactic acid, very powerful at nourishing the skin. It's going to make your skin so smooth, soft, like that of a baby skin. Very mild. It's going to brighten the skin, to make sure your skin is not dull looking. Sometimes I add it into my mask and I love it. It keeps my skin looking so bright and beautiful. So get your milk and you will love the results. So to mix this treatment, you have to measure the ingredients rightly. If you want to increase the quantity, double the ingredients. and you get more of it. So I added here 1 tablespoon of oat powder, 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Cinnamon, I added half tablespoon. You don't really need too much. You can just go ahead and add a pinch, but I added half tablespoon of cinnamon. Then my sugar, I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. So after that, you have to mix them together, then you have to add rose water or ordinary water for mixing if the treatment is thick. So here is my rose water. Rose water keeps the skin glowing nicely. It purifies the skin. It's for all skin type. It has to balance the skin pH. If you have a dry skin, it keeps your skin hydrated and supple. If you have oily skin, it gets rid of so much oil from the skin. I have an oily skin and I use it as a facial toner, like mostly in the morning, to clean up my face, and my skin is so refreshed. It removes tired looking skin, like treating stress. You know, when you are so stressed up, okay, your skin will look so dry, so old looking. So this will help to refresh your skin and keeping your skin looking so fresh and beautiful. Another thing I love about rose water, it makes the skin glowing beautifully. So use it to mix this treatment. Okay, be mixing it little by little until it forms a thick paste. If your treatment is very watery, you can increase the oat powder to thicken it a little. So that is all. Mix this treatment together, mix them up together, and apply it on your skin. So I will show you how to apply this treatment for best results. So when applying this treatment, I won't be talking. I'll just go ahead and apply it, just to show you that I also apply it on my skin. I don't usually use all my remedies at once. Like in 1 week, I select only one of them. Okay, another week I select only one remedy, and it helps my skin greatly. So don't think that I apply all my remedy at once. So this is a treatment that in this channel I share daily videos. In this channel I make lots of videos. In this channel I make videos every day. I share videos every day. You know, you just have to use the one that your skin love. You know, watch the video, and if you love it, try it out and you never regret it. So go on and make use of this treatment 3 times weekly, and that will be okay. It's very safe to use every day anyway. Use it 3 times weekly. After 15 minutes, you wash it off. You can store the remain in refrigerator to use it maximum of 5 days. After 5 days in the you trash it out and wash it out, make a fresh one. So this remedy will keep your skin looking so beautiful. So you look so clear. Your skin will look so clear. You know, it will tighten loose skin. It will keep your skin looking so beautiful without makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.